Let's do it.
Fully ready.
Okay.
Yep. Enjoy.
You too.
And of course, all of you as well. Enjoy the flight.
Quebec. Roger. It should get better at the airport. It's not great, but it's pretty good.
Set takeoff thrust.
November India, Mirabel Radio. Mirabel Radio, je veux November India, on a permis ici, on est présentement 700 pieds, on pourrait monter
Canadian knots thrust set.
Checked.
November India, Roger.
V1.
Rotate. And positive climb.
Slack up.
Gear up selected.
Now we're leaving a frequency of Baltic 98, still one bubbling.
So yeah, that's one.
9801, Roger, have a good day.
About 4220 Montreal departure identified, climb to 5000, proceed direct to Kiska on course.
Kiska on course and we climb to 5000, prepare 4220.
Departure, good evening, Baltic 98, still one out of Mirabel, Mirabel 9 departure, passing 1,800 feet.
Baltic 9801 Montreal terminal identified, climb to 16,000.
16,000, Baltic 9821.
16,000.
Checked, and then we have the flight path change.
And that is set. Checked.